Hello everybody, I'm working on a 1941, let's see, this is a 9N, little Ford tractor, but anyway, let me show you what I've done here. I took, he's ordered, you know, these things originally have a, this type of assembly on here, and he's put, with the glass bow, the fuel bow, but he's put two of them on here, and none of them seem to ever work right. So, and the glass bow, what they're designed for. They're to, it's a water separator also. Originally that's the way what was on here. But he's not gonna have any problem with condensation, sweating in the gas tank. So I just, instead of getting another one of those bow assemblies, I just went down to the hardware store and got fittings. So and this one fitting here, this valve, it's got a fuel filter up inside of it, which that's all you need. It's a metal screen filter. It's a good filter. It's up inside this valve right here, and that way I just simplified it. That's all it needs, is that one filter. Gas tank's good and clean. If you don't have a good clean gas tank, you need to have one. So nothing gets inside your carburetor or any place else. But see, I just put these fittings, went down to Ace Hardware, and got this little, he wanted a shut-off valve, so I put it on there. I think these parts were only like $12. And of course, just a fuel hose, just a 1/4-inch fuel hose right there, and I just attached it to the fuel line. And let me start this thing up now. Plus, I had to put a coil on it. It was converted. This little tractor originally it was 6-volt system, so it's been converted to a 12-volt with the alternator, which does a real good job. And when they converted it, they left the 6-volt coil on. I don't know if you can see the coil. It's up inside there. The ignition coil. Let me see if I can get it up in here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. But when they converted it over, I just told him go get a 12-volt coil, or you'd have to get a resistor to knock it down to 6 volts. But anyway, it's got a 12-volt coil on here. And that's what he brought it over for. So it wasn't running, and plus it was leaking fuel. But listen to her now. She sounds like brand new, and it looks good too. This guy's done a wonderful job on restoring this thing. Let me start her up here and listen to her. She sounds like brand new. Like brand new. Let me get back here. I'll show a different video. I mean, this is a nice looking, he's done an excellent job painting this tractor. Look at that thing. Alright, hey, I thought that I might share that on that fuel deal if anybody runs across that. Alright, thanks for watching.